If you want to create paid Discord role subscriptions on Whop and you want the full setup done the right way, this video will walk you through it step by step. We're going to connect Discord to Whop, set the correct role permissions, map your VIP role, configure what happens when someone cancels, and then publish a paid recurring product so people can subscribe and automatically get access. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Whop account at thewhop.com and open your business dashboard. Once you're inside, look to the top left corner and click your business name to switch into the admin view. This is where you'll manage apps, products, and access settings for your server. Now click Add App in the admin panel. In the App Store, search for Discord. When you see the Discord integration, you may get a prompt that says Add Chat instead. In that case, just choose Continue with Discord. This will take you to the next part of the connection process. Back on the admin page, click Connect Discord on the Discord app card. Whop will redirect you to Discord so you can authorize the connection. Here, choose your target server from the drop-down menu. Make sure you pick the correct server, especially if you manage more than one. Then click Continue. Next, review the permissions Discord is requesting. These permissions are what allow Whop to manage roles and sync access properly. Click Authorize, then complete any human verification prompts if they appear. Once everything is approved, you'll be automatically sent back to Whop. Now that Discord is connected, the next step is to make sure your role hierarchy is set up correctly. This part matters a lot because if the bot role is below your VIP role, it may not be able to assign access properly. Open your Discord app and go to Server Settings, then click Roles. Find the Whop bot role and drag it all the way to the top of the role list. It needs to sit above any paid or VIP roles that you want Whop to control. This gives the bot permission to assign and remove those roles when users subscribe or cancel. Before moving on, make sure your actual VIP role already exists in Discord. If you haven't created it yet, do that now. This is the role your customers will receive after subscribing, so give it a clear name that matches your offer. Now let's lock down the channels so only subscribers can see them. In Discord, right-click your subscriber category and choose Edit Category. Open the Permissions section, then turn Private Category on. After that, add your VIP role to the allowed list. This is a really smart step because when you set privacy at the category level, it automatically applies to all existing channels inside it and any future channels you create there. That means you don't have to manually secure each channel one by one. Once your Discord permissions are ready, go back to your Whop dashboard. Click Refetch Roles so Whop updates the list of roles from your server. This is important if you just created or changed a role and it doesn't appear yet. After the roles refresh, find the VIP role you created in the available roles list and click Add Role. This tells Whop which Discord role should be granted when someone buys access. Now let's set up what happens when a customer cancels their subscription. In the Discord app inside your Whop dashboard, click Open App Settings, then go to the Settings tab. Look for Cancellation Actions. From the drop-down, you can choose what should happen when a user cancels. You can select No Action as the default or choose Remove Role, Kick User, or remove all roles depending on how strict you want your access control to be. For most subscription servers, removing the role is the cleanest option. Now it's time to create the paid product itself. Go to your products page on Whop. You can either edit an existing product or click Create Product if you're starting from scratch. Under Pricing, set the access type to Paid Access. Then, under Subscription Model, choose Recurring. This is what makes the purchase repeat on a schedule, such as monthly or yearly. Enter your price amount and choose the billing duration that matches your offer. For example, you might do monthly for a community membership or yearly for a premium access tier. If you want to attract more signups, you can also toggle on a free trial so users can test the experience before they're charged. In the Apps section, make sure your Discord app is selected. If you're bundling other apps or features into the same product, include those here too. This is where you define what the customer gets when they subscribe. When everything looks good, click Save Product to finalize the setup. At this point, your Whop product is connected to Discord, your role mapping is ready, and your subscription flow is in place. And that's it. You now know how to create paid Discord role subscriptions on Whop from start to finish. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want a follow-up guide on setting up welcome messages, access channels, or advanced membership tiers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.